Hello students, I hope you all are safe and healthy. Ajit Singh from Colonel's Brightland Public School will teach you computer of grade 4. So dear student, this is a part 2 video for the chapter 2 managing files and folders. Let's talk about this PC folder. This PC folder displays the content of the computer's hard disk, CD, DVD or any other external storage media such as a pen drive. Using this PC icon, we can access and manage all the folders and files stored in a computer. It is useful for finding, organizing, moving, and copying files, folders in a computer. Double clicking on this PC icon opens the folder as shown as in the figure. Address bar displays the complete path of the selected file folder. Back button, it lets you navigate the previously opened folders without closing the current window. Forward button, after using the back button you can use the forward button to again move to the current open window. Up button, it takes you one step in the folder tree. Ribbon, it contains commands arranged in the form of tabs and groups used to work with files and folders. Navigation, it is the left pane that display a list of drives and folders. Search box allows you to quickly search files, folders in the current folder. Right pane, it displays the content of the folders that has been selected in the left pane. File Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders, and drives. It enables you to access, edit, manage, and organizing files and folders. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename, and search files or folders. How to open File Explorer? To open File Explorer, click on the Start button, then click on File Explorer option, press Window key plus E. The File Explorer window will open. The left pane displays all kinds of locations such as this PC folder, devices and drives connected to your computer and other folders on your computer. Click a location to view its contents in the right pane. Right pane displays the contents of the folder that has been selected in the left pane. Quick access is vertical ribbon which shows a list of frequently used folders and recent files. Detailed pane shows the most common properties associated with the files such as author, size, and the date you last changed the file on, etc. The status bar displays the total number of items in a location or the number of selected items and their total size. This button displays detailed information about each item in the window. This button displays the items using large thumbnails. Viewing contents. To view the contents of any file or folder, simply double click on it. You can change the layout of files and folders using the View tab. A quick view for you. Select a file and click the View Previous pane to view the content of file on the right side of the File Explorer window. Let's discuss about files and folders. File. It is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device such as hard disk, CD, DVD, or pen drive. As we keep important papers in a file, likewise, any information in a computer is saved in the form of a file. Each file is given a file name which helps us to find it whenever required. Next, folder. As we keep all our files in a file cabinet, similarly a folder in a computer is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. A folder can hold other folders as well. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. You can differentiate a file of folders with the help of icons associated with them. Let us learn about and saving a file. The most common method to create a file by using any application software. Here we are using Word 2016. Open a new blank document in Word 2016. Start typing text on the blank page. After completing your work, save your file using the File tab and Save option. A window named Save As will appear. Click on the Browse button. The Save As dialog box will be open, and select the location and type the file name in the file name text box and click on the Save button. The document will be saved with the specified file name. Next, creating a folder. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Place the pointer on the new option. A list of sub option appears, which is called cascading menu. Click on the folder option. A new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop with the default name new folder. Type a name for folder and press the enter key. Now opening a file and folder. To open a file or a folder, simply move the pointer to the particular file or folder and double click on it. The file and folder will open and you can view its content. Quick view for you. The shortcut to create a new file is Ctrl+N. Press Shift plus Del to delete folders or file permanently. Renaming a file or folder. Rename means to change the existing name of file or folder. To rename any file or folder, right click on the desired file or folder. Select the rename option from the shortcut menu. The file or folder will be highlighted. Now type the new name that you wish to give to the file or folder. Using a context menu. When you right click on the icon, a pop-up menu will appear which is called the context menu. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access commands. Right click on the different areas and objects display different sets of command. The context menu is also called the shortcut menu. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. When you right click on the blank area of desktop, will be find with the name of list. The personalized option can be seen at the bottom of the list. Using the personalized option, you can change the desktop background, window colors, lock screen background, settings of the desktop, screensaver, appearance of icons, menus, taskbar, etc. Right clicking on an object. When you right click on any icon on the desktop, you will find an entirely different. The properties options will be found in the bottom of the list. It displays the basic information about the icon. What is a shortcut? So students, a shortcut is an icon which provides an easy quick method to open application or software that we use frequently. There is a small jump arrow present at the lower left corner of the shortcut icon. Double click on the shortcut icon, open the file or program that it represents. Creating a shortcut icon for Microsoft Word, click on the Start button and select All Apps. Select the Word 2016 program. Drag the icon to the desktop. A shortcut icon of Word 2016 appears on the desktop with a jump arrow in the lower left corner. Double click on the shortcut icon to open the application. Thank you very much to watching this video. Students, stay safe, stay healthy and keep it up.